Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak on the latest iOS 12.3 and also some of the ones before that. As long as you're on iOS 12, this should work for you. Right now we're just going to show you which OS I'm on right now and just show you I am updated to the latest version. I would recommend you go on to 12.3 before you do this. Now we're going to go on to the jailbreak site. It is jailbreaktoday.com, as you can see. I'm putting in my URL bar. It's also in the bottom left right there. We're going to hit the go button. And as you can see, this supports through iOS about 9.3 up into the latest one right here, 12 to 12.3. And that's what I'm showing you today. You can pretty much follow along the process if you're on a later iOS 2. We're going to select our phone version. As you can see, I'm on an iPhone X, and then select our operating version that matches what just showed up on the other screen, and then hit verify compatibility. This shouldn't take that long. It's just going to check to make sure your device does work with the latest jailbreak. And as you can see, it's done and successfully completed jailbreak. Now we're just going to hit the jailbreak button to begin the process. This is very simple. This is untethered, by the way, so you don't need a computer. As you can see, I'm doing it all on my phone right here. Now, as you can see, it's unstraggling the jailbreak onto the phone. And right here, you're going to have to do a quick little human verification just to verify you are a human, because we do have people setting up bots trying to get this on phones, so it just has to be a human doing this. And all you have to do is download and run 2 free apps in order to get it. As you can see, select 2 apps from the list. As you can see, there are only 2 on the list. If there's more, you can choose any 2. It does not matter if you do the same ones I do or if you don't. So we're selecting the first app, and we're going to hit the get or cloud download button, and make sure this app is not already on your phone. We want to be downloading new apps that contain the jailbreak files, not because the old ones will, if they're already on your phone, will not. So now both these apps are downloaded. Now all we're going to do is run each of these apps for about 30 seconds to a minute, just to allow time to connect with the servers and connect with the human verification portal, so your jailbreak can successfully download. Now you can do a minute if you want to be sure, but 30 seconds should be plenty if you want to set a timer. Do whatever you have to do, but just make sure you're tapping around during that time, because we do want to make sure we stay connected to the servers and we haven't lost connection or anything. So it's important we keep tapping. I'm just doing random taps. And remember, these apps are completely free. You don't have to make any in-app purchases, and you do not have to sign up for any free trials. So I'm tapping around, just doing general actions in the app. Once we've been in the app about 30 seconds to a minute, we will open up the next app and repeat the same exact process. We're just going to tap around in this app again. Just click on some buttons, whatever we have to do to make sure we stay connected to the server. And once again, this app is free. No purchases have to be made, and no free trials have to be signed up for. If you get a pop-up asking you to sign up for a free trial, just hit the X in the top, because you do not have to sign up for any free trials or anything. These are completely free, every sense of the word. And as you see, I've been tapping around a little bit. We're just going to keep going, and then we should be good to get the jailbreak on our phone. Alright, once we've been in that app for about 30 seconds to a minute, we're now going to close out, and what we're going to do real quick is just shut down our phone. And I'll be back when it boots up right here, and we're going to go on the phone. Let me see that this worked. As you can see, we do have Cydia downloaded on the phone. I'm going to open up to show you guys that this is real and did work. And as you can see, we are in a working version of Cydia. As you can see, we can tap around here for a second just to show you guys this is legit. Cydia did download my phone. You saw the process. It was that simple. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if this worked for you, and share this with your friends. Once again, guys, thanks for watching.